Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google account permanently. So first of all, open Chrome browser, look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon and go to manage your Google account. After that, look at the left corner, tap onto data and privacy, scroll down, select the second option, delete your Google account, click on, and first verify you, enter your password. Scroll down and then finally click on to delete account. Then successfully delete your Google account permanently. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.